You know, when it rains, it pours. I told you insiders were buying. I plan to stop at 3 trades, but I found another and I just can't resist because this one looks just as good as the first 3. Now, I've told you about 3 stocks so far. If you didn't see those videos, check your inbox because these are important opportunities where you could make a lot of money over the coming weeks and months. The first, a small cap materials company. We had a micro cap banking stock from the Northeast. We had a tiny little biotech where the CEO just plowed in with $2.4 million. And now there is this one more banking stock, also a small one. Take a look at the chart. Now, at first sight, it may not look too spectacular. Yes, the stock is up big. I mean, over the last since October, so we're looking at 9 or 10 months. The thing's going from $9 to $25 to several 100%. The trend is higher. But what's interesting about this one, and why this one definitely caught my attention, was the stock is up here at the highs. And so, as you've seen, it is not uncommon for insiders to buy after a stock dips. It's become cheap. It's undervalued. They know that. They buy. But when they're buying a stock up here at all-time highs, again, with their own money and their own accounts, their own company, which they know better than the other, it is usually a sign this company is doing much better than even investors realize. So if they're buying at absolute top prices, that's because they think it's going to go much, much, much higher. And believe me, they are buying. Look at this cluster buy we had here. Just come in last week. The senior vice president, the CFO, the CEO, all piling in with their own money. So far, they're in for around $522,000 and counting. So we have a strong trending stock. It's up several 100% over the prior 12 months in a strong sector. I've told you about banking and how the Fed loosening their capital requirements is sending all these stocks higher, pushing their earnings higher. And then we have a strong cluster buy from 3 different insiders, those in the know executives at that company, picking up the stock in their own personal accounts. For me, this checks all the boxes. It's why I recommend it to members and why I want you to get in on this trade as well. Now, I've also recommended a call option on this stock that is currently trading for just over $1 per contract. It's a $100 call option. It's your max risk. So you buy, let's say 3 contracts here, around $300, $400. That's it. That's your max risk. It's the most you could lose. How much could you make? Thousands if this stock goes up in a big way in a relatively short amount of time, which I believe it will. So if you want to learn about this stock as well as the other 3, that's 4 new insider trades recommended, just a 24-hour period. You need to click this link below this video, watch the on-demand training, learn about this insider strategy, become a member of the Insider Report. You'll receive a bonus report to your email immediately after signing up, giving you all the details of these trades. Additionally, you're going to get every buy and sell alert I issue for the next 12 months. I'm even making you a special offer to pick up an additional 12 months at an absurdly low price. So go ahead and click that link right now, become a member of the Insider Report, and let's start making money together.